Harmonizing nostalgia, RD Burman songs on alto saxophone. RD Burman's melodies bring waves of nostalgia, and when voiced on the alto saxophone, they become a soulful conversation between the past and the present. Each note echoes memories, harmonized with expressive saxophone tones. The magic of RD Burman's music. RD Burman created magic with his music, blending Indian tradition with global sounds. His timeless compositions open a world of emotion and energy, offering endless inspiration for musicians even today. The alto saxophone, with its rich tone and expressive range, is a perfect partner for RD Burman's dynamic music. It captures romance, drama, and groove with unmatched charm. Arranging RD Burman's songs for the alto saxophone involves respecting the original while reimagining the melody. It's a creative journey that blends lyrical phrasing with powerful breath control. My journey with the saxophone took a turn when I played my first RD Burman song. His music gave my instrument a voice that could cry, laugh, and dance, all in a single phrase. Discovering Mehbooba on the saxophone was thrilling. The gypsy flair, rhythmic energy, and playful motifs gave the sax a bold stage to shine on. From haunting sorrow to ecstatic joy, RD Burman's music spans the full emotional spectrum. The saxophone mirrors these moods beautifully, making every performance deeply moving. Classics like Churalia, Paya 2, and Tum Aa Gay Ho are ideal for saxophone renditions, rich in melody, mood, and expressive depth. They never fail to connect. Playing Burman's music on saxophone demands breath control, smooth phrasing, and dynamic shifts. The intricate rhythm and ornamentation challenge even experienced players. Exploring RD Burman's songs enhances your musical phrasing, improvisation skills, and emotional delivery, making you a more versatile and expressive saxophonist. Audiences light up when familiar Burman tunes come alive through the saxophone. It's a mix of surprise, nostalgia, and sheer joy that leaves lasting impressions. Blend jazz phrasing with Indian rhythm, use backing tracks with tablas or guitars, and maintain the soul of the melody. Fusion works best when rooted in respect for both genres. The future of Burman sax fusion is bright. New generations are embracing it in concerts, recordings, and education, giving this genre fresh life and global reach. Each RD Burman song is a cultural time capsule. Playing them on saxophone is a journey through India's musical evolution, timeless, rich, and emotionally layered. From notation books to backing tracks and live performances, there's a growing library of resources to help saxophonists dive deep into the world of RD Burman's genius. RD Burman's music is not just melody, it's a timeless journey through rhythm, soul, and imagination. Playing it on the saxophone keeps that legacy alive, echoing his genius with every breath and every note.